Good morning, guys. It's 8 o'clock. Is it 8 o'clock? Yeah, 8. About 8:30, almost 8:30 in the morning. And we are waiting here outside of the hotel for our tour today, guys. We're here in Reykjavík, which is in Iceland, October 22nd, right? And we are heading to Golden Circle, Kirit Volcanic crater, and also we're going to Blue Lagoon for a day tour. So it's gonna be a lot of fun today, guys. I cannot wait to be there and show you guys what they have in here in Reykjavík, and it's gonna be fun. I'm with my son right now, Isaiah. Good morning, Isaiah.
Film that. Can you zoom in?
It's very pretty, early in the morning, blue sky, clear. And that's the hotel we're staying. Alright, guys, we'll see you guys later. I'll show you guys what we're doing today, and we're just waiting for our tour bus. See you guys later. Bye. Guys, we are starting our tour. We're in that bus. It's called Nice Travel. We have like at least 20 people in the bus. So this is a fresh water. People here, guys. We are in volcanic area.
Looks like a church. Is that a church, a little village almost? Yeah. Little church.
Take a picture. So we are surrounded with lava, guys. Those are all lava rocks. And we are going for a hike for about 20 to 30 minutes hike, guys, to look at all the volcano remains, volcano rocks, lava, and we're surrounded by a volcano. Alright guys, we are able to visit the falls, quick one. And this is a really pretty falls, guys. We stopped by an ice cream place and we're getting some ice cream. It's gonna be fun. Some cows, guys, that's where they're getting their ice cream and of course milk. Waiting for the geyser to burst and see what's gonna happen. Okay guys, we're stopping by to have lunch quick, and then we're gonna go to Blue Lagoon as they have having fish and chips, and I'm having lamb soup. It's really good. All right, we are done for lunch. We are going back to the bus, going to Blue Lagoon, and I'll see you guys later.